Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog.
Sige mo ba?
Wala po. Gusto ko lang po hingi ng Robux. Kasi wala na po ka-Robux. Gusto lang po mag-cheat na lang ako.
Ready or not, here they come. Your top 10 plays from Monday night in the NBA. We'll begin in Dallas. Christian Wood drops his defender, then drops a two-hand stuff on the Thunder. Part of a Mavericks win on Monday night.
Daba
It
naman.
is December, so at number
Sa
9,
bahay.
here comes Santi Aldama.
Daba
Right down Memphis Grizzlies lane. And one dunk.
Isa dalaw.
Get a Grizzly win.
Dawala,
Number 8,
tatlo, apat,
Bam
limaan.
Adebayo. Thinks he's got
Gogi.
something brewing in Indiana. He's got nothing.
Boys.
Thanks to Miles Turner, who turns him away. Why, Turner's always among the league leaders in blocks. At number 7, one of the few bright spots in a tough night for the Timberwolves in Portland, Anthony Edwards. The Ant-Man takes dead aim at Drew Eubanks.
Cute.
And that leads us to number 6.
Weird
Hawks in Memphis, Aaron Holiday out on the break, and Kennedy Chandler there with a chase down block. And remember the name, he'll be back a little later on. At number 5 in San Antonio, off the Devin Vassell miss, Charles Bassett
Ahos.
with an emphatic
Gogi.
put-back dunk. That brings us to number 4. Did I mention Kennedy Chandler would be back in the top 10?
Guys, penge Robux.
And turning it up, the rookie getting up and throwing down on the Hawks. At number 3, back to Portland, another rookie, Shaden Sharp, goes baseline, and look at that beautiful reverse. To number 2, Christian Wood returns. Fakes the shot, does not fake the slam dunk over Darius Baisley on the back end. That's very real. And at number 1, a defensive play to close things out. Keldon Johnson to save the game with the block against Donovan Mitchell and punctuate our top 10.
Guys. Ayoko na mag-vlog. Joke lang. Hirap mag-vlog. Guys. Punta tayo sa taas ng tuktok. Tuktok ba naman? Etak-tak. Ay, nasusuka ako sa inyo. Ewan ko na lang. Spider-Man. Aray ko. Angkit ba naman isakit?
SNNI. Truth that matters.
Patuloy na tinututukan ngayon ng Philippine Coast Guard ang rehabilitasyon at gawing aktibong muli ang mga lighthouse sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas. Si Cherry Light nagbabalita live. Cherry, magandang gabi.
Jake, magandang gabi. Maliban nga sa pagbabantay ng mga karagatan sa bansa sa pagsasaayos
Ang
ng
katel!
sa paglalaya ng mga Philippine Coast Guard.
Iyak ka na mag-vlog. Bye-bye guys.
Mula Batanes, nakabalik na sa Maynila ang bato sakay ang Task Force Kaligtasan sa Karagatan o TFKSK na
Bye-bye, guys.
Lantern.